Get Stork here. Check out what's coming up here on Tigson Goldstone.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to Imagine Porch. The following is Tigson Goldstone cartoon, followed by Tinky Winky, Whiz Bits, Echo Echo Ring Ring, Spanish with Clocky, Porches Cowtoos Vegetables, and another Tigson Goldstone cartoon. Stay tuned at the end of the episode for surprises with Wendy Elizabeth. Let's get on with the show.
This is how I go in the magic closet. Transports to this closet. And I get inside that crayon drawing of a door and opened up. It's a drawing of a room. Computer, TV set, the fridge, the piano, the window, and that box fort. I might as well get in. Except for Misty, the girl with denim-sized shorts.
Brooms, magic brooms, flying magic brooms.
Sabrina and Baby Bloxburg in their brooms are witches. Mimi Morton gets the necklace. Bubbles. I'm not sure what her name for her girl. He's got bubbles in his hand. And that bubble wand. And even Annie, a spoiled girl, who's going to stomp her feet and yell out loud. They have rushed to a magic closet. And I screamed. Then I ran away from girls. The 6 girls. Misty, Sabrina, Baby Bloxburg, Mimi Morton, Bubbles, and Annie. So I run into this door, and these 5 girls downstairs. Only one, Misty, gets downstairs, tripping by kicking the door and falling downstairs. Then Misty, her legs held after she tumbled downstairs, made herself dizzy. So I got out of the house, and I have a bar of soap in my hand. It's a bar of soap. Then I threw it, and I jump out of the building and fall into the manhole.
Oh, Tigson, that is weird, Dream. The 6 girls gets after you, and you ran away from them. You got into the door and shut for good. Why don't you go out with me and have ice cream with the other mates?
Do you think that's fun? Watch this.
Wake up, Tank. Wake up, Tank. Today's your birthday. You have to wake up. Huh. I think Tank is not going to wake up. He's still sleeping. I know. I'll go outside to find you a birthday present from the creek. Okay, frogs. Get in the wagon so I can wrap you up as a present. Hey, wait up! Oh, man. Frogs jumped in the water. Huh. I better find something else can be a birthday present.
Tigson, I got up. Tigson? Tigson? Where's Tigson? Have you seen Tigson? I could not find him. He must be going outside looking for a birthday present.
Here you go, Tigson. This birthday present is for Tank. Now, drive it back and give it to Tank.
I'm back, Tank. And Bob Zoom gave the present, and I gave you a present. That present is from Bob Zoom, and I drove it back to you. And this present is for you, Tank. Open it up and see it. And look at that. What is this?
It's a magnifying glass. Lets you search things through the glass. Once you find it, you saw it.
So, Tink, what kind of birthday cake would you like for your birthday? Any kind of cake you like.
I'll have red velvet for Tank and us. And each us give a slice for each person. Oh, Tank. That sounded like you had a great birthday. Blow out the candles and make a wish.
Hello, geniuses. Welcome to Quiz Bits. Let's meet today's teams. Bonnie Bear and Mr. Gramophone against Purple Turtle, Rolly Armadillo. For each person who gets it right or gets it wrong, doesn't matter to me. Today we're going to be counting to 50. Good luck.
Let's count by fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 50 boobas. How many boobas do you see?
50 boobas.
And what about you? Guess the number before time is running out.
Look at my new purple turtle shell. My shell is all purple.
5 boobas times 10 boobas equals 50 boobas. 5 times 10 is 50.
Time's up. Purple Turtle, you did not say the number. Rolly, you did say the number. Bonnie Bear and Rolly Armadillo were tied. To break a tie, draw the number 50. Better luck next time, you two. And see you next time on Quizbits.
Hello? Is this Echo speaking? Really? My baby brother was throw the blocks at the other kids? Oh, the teacher's gonna be angry. I'll have to get in the car and pick him up right away. Soon as I get off the phone. Goodbye.
Hola. My name's Clarky. And this is my assistant, Qwerty.
Today, we're starting on the groceries slideshow. Here comes the first slide. Red. Eggs. Cheese. Milk. Chocolate. Fruit. Vegetables. Sugar. Meat. Sausages. Your turn. This time, speak Spanish in a slide.
El pan. Los huevos. El queso. La leche. El chocolate. La fruta. Las verduras. El azúcar. La carne. Las salchichas. Now, say it in 2 ways. El pan, red. Los huevos, eggs. El queso, cheese. La leche, milk. El chocolate, chocolate. La fruta, fruit. Las verduras, vegetables. El azúcar, sugar. La carne, meat. Las salchichas, sausages. Thank you for the slideshow. Do you know what this means? It's time for gorgeous Clatu's vegetables.
And now, a word for gorgeous Caltoo's vegetables. What's up? Gorgeous Clatu here. Today is what's different. And what's different is yellow. Let's take a look. Corn. Pepper. Another piece of corn. Banana. Let's split up. 3 vegetable shapes that are yellow. They're the same. But one shape is different. It's a shape of a fruit. On with another cartoon.
Andy, put me down.
Never, ever, ever back talk to me. And the net ladies and Zoe.
I was not back talking. I'm just telling you to put me down and not handcuff my arms. And put me in the net. Come save me, Tigson.
Stop right there. Let me pull you, Dooley.
Thank you for saving me. Now, get them, Spiderus. Get them, Squirt.
Okay, Spiderus. Dinner time.
Reckon we go back in and see Bob Zoom? What's he gonna do with Jolly Rancher heart candies up on the roof?
Look out below, Spiderus. Here comes the reigning Jolly Ranchers.
What's this? Jolly Rancher rain? How can we go back down? Play in the rain? A Jolly Rancher rain?
Yes, raining Jolly Ranchers. That's how Bob 2 was up on a roof. Putting some Jolly Ranchers into the Rainmaker made the Jolly Rancher rain.
Hey, Bob, the ant. That meat captured one of those Jolly Ranchers and put it in that bucket there. Huh. I can't eat it without no mouth. Gotta use that sharp teeth and chew it. Oh my. A Jolly Rancher hard candy got stuck to my teeth. I better call the dentist appointment by tomorrow.
Now you'll have to pick up all these Jolly Ranchers from the Rainmaker. Used up all the Jolly Ranchers. Go get those buckets and put them in the Jolly Rancher bucket.
I think Tigson's friends are asleep with Tigson, Alan, Elroy Goldstone. Tomorrow, I'll be going to the dentist appointment and get that Jolly Rancher teeth stuck out of my mouth and put a new teeth in.
Oh my Creole. Jolly Ranchers. I can't wait to put them in that mouth and melt. And it'll be nice and perfect skin color of patchwork. That's one good bucket of Jolly Ranchers. Of a Jolly Rancher rain. Ugh. My tummy doesn't feel so good. I just ate all the Jolly Ranchers in one bucket. Now I got a tummy ache. I better go to the hospital and get that tummy settled.
Did you see Boo ate all the Jolly Rancher candies in one bucket? I've got teeth stuck in Jolly Ranchers pulled out, and I put in new teeth. Just like me, Booba with the sharp teeth.
And now, surprises with Wendy Elizabeth, New Year edition. What's inside, Wendy? Looks like you opened up a box of the new 2025
upcoming episodes. These are the upcoming episodes for 2025.
Sketchstork here. Don't touch that dial. Here are the following sketches for our next show. Now that was a good cartoon. Drop you down the Imagine porch.
That's it for now. The Imagine porch sunshine. Down, down till bedtime.
Chirp.